Oft I heard of Lucy Gray, and when I crossed the wild, I chanced to see at break of day the solitary child. No mate, no comrade Lucy knew, she dwelt on a wild moor, the sweetest thing that ever grew beside a human door. You yet may espy the fawn at play, the hare upon the green, but the sweet face of Lucy Gray will never more be seen. Tonight will be a stormy night. You to the town must go, and take a lantern, child, to light your mother through the snow. That, father, will I gladly do. It's scarcely afternoon. The minster-clock has just struck 2, and yonder is the moon. At this the father raised his hook and snapped a faggot-band. He plied his work, and Lucy took the lantern in her hand. Not blither is the mountain row, with many a wanton stroke. Her feet disperse the powdery snow that rises up like smoke. The storm came on before his time. She wandered up and down, and many a hill did Lucy climb, but never reached the town.